even far from snow. Christmas lights shine bright tonight, hearts bound together, no one spares.
Palm trees sway beneath the starlit night, lanterns flicker casting golden light. I walk along the shore and hear your name. Every gentle wave feels the same. Time moves slow, another year. All the laughter, all the cheer. Still I find my way back here, where your warmth feels so near.
Candles glow and shadows dance, families sing, hearts take a chance. Every wish I kept inside now floats like boats across the tide. The evening air is soft and clear, and I feel you somehow near. Christmas in the tropics shines with your love as the brightest light.
Through the heat, through the night, through the calm, through the light, we're still standing side by side under this tropical Christmas night.
Under the tropic Christmas sky, every dream feels close tonight. Hold my hand, don't let me go. Love's the gift we always know. Through the years, through the fight, we're together on this night. No matter where the seasons flow, this love will always glow.
Christmas is not about snow or cold. It's about the hearts that come together and the warmth we share under every star. Lanterns swaying on the breeze,
gentle waves that kiss the seas.
Every promise old and new
feels more real when shared with you. Even when the night is long, promise will stay strong. I'm right here, I won't be gone. Under these warm skies we belong. Love's the reason we believe. Under the tropic Christmas sky, hope is shining in our eyes. Every prayer, every cheer, let us right back here. Through the years, through the fight, we're together on this night. No matter where the seasons go, this love will always glow. So wherever you are tonight, may love find you, and may your Christmas be warm and bright.